Morning everyone, let's have a look at our phonics for today. So let's warm up by saying all these super sounds that I'm going to show you on the board. Make sure you're pronouncing them correctly. We'll do them together. Let's go. S, d, n, t, I, a, o, k, g, k, o, b, l, sh, j, a, v, y, w, z, ch, qu, e, x, ng, nk. Fantastic, everyone. So we've got a new sound today, and this sound is I. Your turn. I. Your turn. Well done. So as you can see here, we have got 3 letters in our sound today. We've got an I, a G, and a H. Can you say those letter names for me? Fabulous. So today we've got 3 letters in our sound. Can anyone remember what we call it when we have 3 letters that make one sound? You're right, it's a trigraph. Can you say our sound today is a trigraph? Well done. So our sound today is I, and at the bottom of my picture you can see here that there's some children and an adult here flying some kites high up in the sky. So our picture below is fly high. Your turn. Superb. Let's see then if we can spot which side I'm showing you. So one of those sides is going to be I, and the other side is going to have fly high on it. So I want you to join in with me and say which side I'm showing you. Fly high, I, fly high, fly high, I, fly high, I. Super, well done everyone. So now we're going to have a little go at finding the sound today. So get your pointer fingers out, and remember, when you spot it, point to the sound on the screen and you need to say I. That's the sound we're looking for. Your turn. Well done. Right, let's have a little go. D, r, f, p, t, ng, I. That's the sound we're looking for. Well done if you spotted it. Let's keep going. V, sh, f, d, h, e, I. That's the sound we're looking for. Well done. Let's try it one more time. Ready? A, t, r, v, f, y, nk, I. That's the sound we're looking for. Well done if you spotted it every time there. So let's have a little go at forming these letters correctly. So as we've said earlier, we've got 3 letters in our trigraph today. Now let's have a look at the first letter. So the first letter is I. Is I a small letter? Is it an ascender? Does it go up to the sky? Or is it a descender? Does it go down into the soil? Have a little think. You're right, well done. So I is a small letter, so it needs to sit in the grass. My G here, what type of letter is that? Is it an ascender, a descender, or a small letter? You're right, it's a descender, so it's different to the first one. My H, where does my H go? Does it go up to the sky? Does it go down into the soil? What do you think? Correct, H is an ascender, it goes up to the sky, okay? So 3 different letters here. So watch me, I'm going to form it with my mouse over the letters. I want you to have a little go and see if you can follow it. So as I'm writing it, I'm going to be saying fly high. I'm going to go up to the sky for that H. Watch me again. So I'm going to say fly high. I'm going to go straight up to the sky for that H. Can you have a little go with your pen or pencil on a piece of paper at writing our trigraph down today, please? Off you go. If you want a challenge, see if you can make sure you've got those get ready to write at the start of your letters and try and join them together. Super, well done. If you need a little bit more time practicing, just pause the video now and have a little bit more time to practice those letters. Okay, we're going to move on now and we're going to have a go at writing this new sound in some words. So wake your Fred fingers up, give them a bit of a shake. They might need more of a wake up today, and hide your hand so we can identify our sounds. So my first word, and I want you to see how many sounds are in this word, is high. High. Can you check how many sounds are in the word high? Show me. Well done, you should have 2 sounds there. So my turn first. I, high. Your turn. Write it down. If you want a bit of a challenge, pop those sound buttons underneath it. Make sure you've got 2 sounds in my word high. Great, let's check. So this is the word high. We should have I, high. Well done if you got that one. Let's check my next word. So wiggle those fingers again. Hide one. So this word is fight. Fight. Okay, check how many sounds are in that word. Fight. Okay, show me your Fred fingers. So you should have 3 sounds in that word. My turn first. I, fight. Your turn. Brilliant. Write it down for me. Super. Let's check that one. Okay, so in fight, you should have I, fight. Have we got that? I, fight. Well done if you got that one correct. We've got 2 more to do. So wiggle those fingers again and hide one. So this word now is flight. Flight. How many sounds in flight? I'm trying to trick some of you out now. Check on your Fred fingers. Show me. 4 sounds. Well done. This one's a bit of a challenge. So my turn first. I, flight. Your turn. Fabulous. Write me flight on your whiteboards or on your pieces of paper. Great, let's check it. So here's my word flight. You should have flight. Well done if you got that one, because that was quite a challenge. My last word with our new sound in today, wiggle those fingers and hide one, is the word light. Light. So check how many sounds are in the word light. Super. Show me how many sounds. Well done if you got 3. My turn first. Light. Your turn. Fabulous. Write it down. Amazing. Let's give that one a track. So here's the word light. Should have the sounds light. Well done if you got that one correct. Hopefully you got 4 out of 4 there. So pop your pens and pencils down and let's have a go at doing some reading with our new sounding today. So first, just like we've done the rest of the week, we're going to identify the sound first, then we're going to Fred talk it and blend it. So let's do this one together. So let's start at the top. So the first word, the sound is I. Well done. Let's Fred talk it. I, might. Your turn. Fabulous. Let's do this one together. What's the sound? I. Well done. Fred talk. I, high. Fabulous. Next one. What's the sound? I. Fabulous. Fred talk it. I, sight. Superb. And last word there, bit of a challenge. What's our sound? I. Fabulous. And let's Fred talk it. I, bright. Well done, everyone. Great reading. Now though, I've got some alien words. So remember, these ones aren't real words. They're a bit muddled up, but they have got our sound in. So let's see if we can read these ones as well. So same as before, what's our sound here? I. Can we Fred talk it? P, I, t, pite. Oof, that's a weird alien word. Look at this one below. It's even stranger. What's the sound? I. Fred talk. G, I, t, gite. Oof. How strange. And the last one, the sound is I. Well done. K, I, kai. Oh, what a load of nonsense those alien words are. So now I'm going to set you a little task. I want you to see if you can have a go at writing these words correctly. I wonder if you'll be able to spell all of them correctly if your mum or your dad or sibling gives you a bit of a spelling test. So maybe they'll do a spelling test with you today and say these words and see if you can write them down correctly. You might want to practice them in different colours. You might want to practice them with felt tip pens just so that they're getting stuck in your head, because trigraphs are a little bit tricky in our words. As the rest of the week, I like giving you a little bit of a challenge. So I want to see if you can use these to make not just any sentence, but a silly sentence. Okay, so it might be a sentence that makes you laugh or makes you chuckle and it doesn't really make any sense. Okay, so I want to see if you can use one of these words in a silly sentence. And don't forget to make sure it's got a capital letter and a full stop at the end. And I want to see your beautiful handwriting, just like you've been practicing in this session. Remember to email them across to me so I can see this fabulous work that you're doing at home. I can't wait to see everything that you've been up to. See you tomorrow.